Well, the clear coat is done. Doors are in paint. And they look absolutely fantastic, as well as all the other pieces and parts that go along with it. Just really nice to see. Everything flows, as well as the hinges are all in paint, and the bows and brackets. This is the header bar. On this piece is where the striker goes. Say the ambulance doors are here, and this bolts up to the perimeter. So the last piece to go into actual paint will be the actual fiberglass top. We're also going to paint the bezel. The bezel is a stark white right now. We're going to paint it the Syngus white so it matches.